mag-subscribe ko kayo. Salamat po. Money. I got a quarter. Well, actually, one. I have 1, 2. I got 2 quarters. Like 4 pennies. Well, 5. And that's all. We're gonna fix my bed now. Hi guys, look at my room. Look at this coward of stuff. All this coward of stuff. This is a lot of stuff. This is my homework, my morning work, and this is my work from school. That's my morning work from school, and that's my school things too, and that's all my toys. There's no mess there. And look guys, this is all my mess. And my whole, look at all my books. Look at all my books here. No, look at my books just right there. My books there. Look at my books here. That's a lot of books. A lot of books. And in the top of there is my clock and my globe and my pictures and my baby pictures and a sign of a baby and a lamp. And I'm gonna, hey, doggy pillow, doggy pillow. I'm gonna fix all this mess.
Thank you for helping me.
I can do all the work, Mom. I'm fine. Yes. Okay, now guys, I'm gonna do all the work by myself now. This bed needs more beauty. This is how I clean my bed. Of course. I'll read this to you later, okay? I'm gonna read this to you later. And I'm good at reading. I read a chapter book one time. And I can read, and I can only read the kiddie chapter book. The one from my bus stops, library, and my bus stop's library is like far down there, and it's not actually my bus stop's library, it's just an owned library, but we can pick books. He doesn't care. We can take books from his library shop. Of course we can. Don't worry. And Mom, that is gonna go here for the feet.
Okay.
Okay, trash. Okay.
Assembly
This is all of the papers I have done in all of my schools. That cool? Whoa, it's so big. It's like level 100,000. Okay, let's bring this back in the clothes room. So, this is the baby room. Well, I'll show you the clothes room. Okay, lightning machine. Look, hide the battery. Teddy! Hi! Every good and perfect quit comment known above. Hey, look! This is my reading journal, and this is my Elephant and Piggy book. I say some examples from this book, and I put it in one paper, and I choose one paper, and I put 4 examples or one picture to say an example, to an example. And this is a question about examples about a book that you picked. Well, sorry if I put my whole face in the camera. Mom, do not drop this down.
I'm sorry.
Because this is a note from God.
Oh, sorry, Mom.
Oh, my chapter book. My favorite kitty cat book, The Bad Kitty, Drawn to Trouble. And there's like 7 chapters. And you might want to pick this book, but I don't want to bring it back because this is my favorite book I picked in the library.
And you should put it back, boy.
No, Mom.
I'm sorry.
I like this.
Oh, but
I just like this so much.
Well, we can find something like that.
No, you're never gonna find it. You can only find it in Books in a Million.
Okay, let's see.
But sometimes Book in a Million doesn't have that book.
But remember, if you borrow it, you have to bring it back.
No! And Bunny. Guys, I'm gonna vacuum my room. Okay, the only thing that's not dirty is what? Okay. I'm done cleaning if you like it. I'm done here. And I'm gonna read you some books. Well, not a lot of books. This away. That's a baby one, so I don't want to read baby books, okay? I'm going to put the baby books there. And the books that are too long. Thank you guys. I'm done cleaning my room. Books that I'm going to read is this one and this one. The pony engine is a little bit like the little engine that could. It's a little like it because it says the hill and 2 trains that tried. It's a little like it. But this one is Paw Patrol. My friend Lauren likes Paw Patrol, and I like Paw Patrol, but I haven't told her that I like Paw Patrol.
Why?
Because I'm not going to tell you because I don't know. Don't tell Mom either. I'm going to tell my mom. Mom, I like Paw Patrol. Did you know that?
Yeah, I know. That's your favorite too.
A cat that wants to do her courage, but she she almost can't, but she says, God, help me. Well, I'm not gonna read that to you because you all know God. And if you want to hear that story, I can read it to you. I can read 3 books. Don't get bored. Don't worry. I love reading. And I have a bookmark. Well, I can't show it to you. And we're gonna read, but even if it's long, don't mind me if it's too long, because we're gonna read like a read party. Okay. Bye. First, my mom needs to erase some videos because we have we're a little bit too much videos. Too much videos means we can't make any more vlogs. That means thumbs down because there's no more of our series. Okay, but we're not series. We're actually just real life. I hope you like how I clean up my room. Okay, bye.